Hello students, today I am going to teach Class 7th English Grammar Chapter 1, the sentence. So let's get understand what is sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense and conveys the proper information. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense and conveys the proper meaning. Proper information or proper meaning. Okay, in the other sense we can give the definition of sentence as the proper and meaningful way of arrangement of words together in a sensible way is called a sentence. Okay, here is the definition. The proper and meaningful way of arrangement of words together in a sensible way is called a sentence. Now we get the two definition of sentence. First is the a sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense and conveys the proper information. The second one is the proper and meaningful way of arrangement of words together in a sensible way is called a sentence. So here we get the definition of sentence. One more thing which is very important to remember during written work in sentence, that a sentence begin with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, a question mark or exclamation mark according to its sense. Like for example, we love our parents. Here we see an example of sentence which is started with a capital letter W and ends with a full stop. Okay. Now next is kinds of sentences. According to their purpose, the sentence are of four kinds. First, assertive sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So let's get understand what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. It's make a statement, and when we tells or state a fact or occurrence that make an assertion, there is assertive sentence. We call it in different way that these kind of sentence, assertive sentence, make a statement or assertion. These sentences make statement. Okay, for example, the sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Okay, this is the example of assertive sentence. Now second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence do not state anything, instead they ask something. That means it doesn't tell a statement, it asks from you. For example, who is your best friend? It asks a question. It asks a question. For example, who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? And after writing the interrogative sentence, we put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, now let's move forward to another sentence, that is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It's this kind of sentence neither make a question, neither makes a statement. Okay, imperative sentence nor make a question and neither make a question and nor a statement. They make a request. It's give an order, a command. Okay, so let's write the definition of imperative sentence. It's neither make a statement nor ask a question. It make a request, give an order, a command, etc. Okay, so let's move forward and watch imperative sentence example. So when we make a request, then call a doctor. Example is call a doctor immediately. Another example is when we give some order to someone or command, don't play with fireworks. Don't play with fireworks. Okay, let's move forward with another kind of sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. Next is exclamatory sentence. So let's get understand what is exclamatory sentence. It's express some sudden strong feeling or emotion. It express some sudden strong feeling or emotion. For example, what a lovely park. What a lovely park. Remember one thing, after completing the exclamatory sentence, we put an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. It shows that this is exclamatory sentence. Now in this class we cover the 4 kinds of sentences, and the next and last topic of this chapter is interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentence. Okay, first is when answer to an question in yes or no, and second is when answer the question in detail. Okay, we call it yes or no type, and we call the second another type, that is WH type. For example of yes no type, the question, do you like oranges? You have to give the answer for this question in yes or no. Yes, I like the oranges. Yes. Okay. And when we talk about the WH type question, we ask the question like, whom do you like the most? Whom do you like the most? We can describe this question as whom do you like the most in your family, in your friends, etc. And we have to give the answer in detail or complete answer, that I like my mother the most. Okay, I hope you all will understand the sentence and its kind, and all the examples of this chapter. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.